What if when simulating a model, you could complete the steps of geometry preparation, mesh settings, boundary conditions, solve time, and post-processing in the 15 seconds it takes to say this entire sentence? What if those steps were no longer required? Experience ANSYS Discovery Live. It's engineering at the speed of thought. Starting with any model, simulations instantly begin after you define just a few basic parameters. And as fast as you have what-if questions, you have answers. You gain directional insight to your design in a matter of seconds. Try Discovery Live today and design better products faster. What will you simulate?